Purchasing process at the dealerships. We'll also improve our service. So, as part of the product focus, we've already launched, as you know, the Zest.
In TV. Alright guys, so we are here right at the Tata Lake. This is exquisitely beautiful, but we are not allowed to hang around here because we have to go forth on an adventure, follow the Gen X in the Tata Nano, new one, and fulfill some challenges, do some crazy stuff, and win some great prizes. All in all, we have to drive around Pune doing crazy things, following crazy adventures, and leave this beautiful place behind. I would have liked to stay here, write a couple of best-selling novels, a couple of epic poems, but what lies ahead is even more exciting, and I am not grudging this. I have been made a part of Team H. There are 3 guys, me, I'm the navigator. I'm going to be reading out the challenges and making sure that the team follows each and every adventure that we are supposed to embark on. I'll see you across the day. See you, bye. Okay, so we have started the Tata Nano, follow the Gen X drive. There are 4 extremely clueless people in the car. We nearly had a mishap as soon as we started, but we have managed to complete 2 challenges. That's like 2 down. The challenge number 1 was to pose with 5 people holding 5 coffee mugs. We did that. And the challenge number 2 was to be holding an object the color of the Nano next to the car, which we have also completed. We are planning to sort of live through this drive without any further incidents, and for that we are kind of counting on Prasanna. Yeah, and that is Aditya clicking away.
I'm also videoing here.
Okay, and that is Alex, who is sort of our navigator, so all the pressure is on his shoulders. Alex, if we all don't walk away with 10,000 bucks at the end of this evening, it's your fault, man. So if we are like alive a few minutes later, I'm gonna be giving you an update. See you guys till then. Bye. Guys, no more galis. Okay guys, so we have completed challenge 3 and challenge 4.
What the fuck you said?
Will you mind your language? The captain is angry. Alright?
He's the captain.
Captain.
He's the navigator.
I'm talking about Avengers, guys. Listen guys, no Avenger geeks in this car.
पतले पैर वाला.
Yeah, Justice League, man, no Avengers. Justice League.
Hey, we got Avengers here. Alright, so we've completed challenge 3 and 4.
And 5 also.
3 was, 5 which wasn't even listed in the WhatsApp group. We are that ahead. Alright guys, so we have done a headbanging video, and we have done a rear view selfie which was like done at a traffic signal, so it was safe, and we are all 4 still intact with all our limbs attached to our body.
Actually wrong. We were driving. I took the selfie while driving, so we did it in the motion.
Okay, we did it in the motion. We did it while the car was moving. We did not do it in the motion.
Okay, in motion. I taught physics. Sorry.
Yeah, dude, come on. So there's a lot of confusion happening in the car, and it's like a fun kind of confusion which happens when 4 really crazy strangers come together. Yeah, so more challenges coming forth and we'll see you in a while. Okay, so we have completed 2 more challenges. Beat sadak pe kisi stranger ko sath leke we just did flash mob dance, and Alex and I did an arm wrestling contest which Alex won, but yeah, okay, it's alright. So we are on to our next set of challenges, driving around. And we are now turning around. We are taking
Everyone is following us.
And it seems we are taking a U-turn and everyone is following us right now.
And
Which is
those
why
people went straight.
everybody
They
is
went
like
straight, they
extremely
didn't turn.
delighted.
एक नैनो ने
Guys, we are back from our adventure, but now we are just like sitting in this sunny field, and as you can see, all of us are like kind of exhausted, but kind of happy with the way the day's events sort of turned out. And Alex has not quit his plan to try and murder me, but he has not succeeded so far. And it seems like he might be really close because there is a Tata Nano about to drive on me like right away. Guys, you can see this is so close. Okay, if something happens to me, you all know that Alex did it. Alright, so if I survive this, I'm gonna see you soon. Bye. As you can see, we are back at the Tata Gardens and we have all survived all the challenges that were put forth. And in fact, our team did a pretty good job of meeting those challenges. We had a great time, a fabulous day in Pune, driving Tata Nano Gen X around the city, discovering its features and generally bonding with some new people. It was a great exercise. And yeah, let me see what more is in store because seems like the day hasn't ended yet. You know guys, some days are so magical. I mean, this day began with me complaining about getting up so early in the morning and meeting an absolute bunch of strangers, and here I am towards the end of the day in one of the most beautiful spots in Pune. It's replete with beauty. I mean, everywhere you look, you are just going to be super excited about how beautiful this place is. And this is towards the end of our day of the Tata Nano Challenge, the Gen X, and we are at the Tata Lake, and it's the perfect place to relax, soak in the beauty, and say goodbye to our fabulous day.